Art. Hello everyone, this is Akriti here. Today I am drawing an ambulance and a fire truck. First I am drawing an ambulance. Story time. One morning, an ambulance raced through the city, its siren echoing. Inside, paramedics were helping a little boy who had hurt his leg. They quickly took him to the hospital where doctors made him feel better. The boy smiled, feeling safe. Moral of the story is, ambulances are there to help and remind us that kindness and care can make us feel better. Color time. Yellow, blue, light blue, red, pink, purple, orange, green, now I am drawing fire truck. Story time. One day, a big fire broke out in a house. The fire truck rushed to the scene with its loud siren and flashing lights. Firefighters quickly grabbed their horses and worked together to put out the flames. Soon the fire was under control and everyone was safe. The people cheered for the brave firefighters. Moral of the story is, teamwork and courage can help us overcome challenges and keep others safe. Purple, red, Violet. Red. Light green.